He's getting high with Bob. And Mickey. Hey, Bob, you know what? What, Mickey? I stand on business. 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 I stand by business. You know what, Mickey? What? I move with compassion. What did you just do? Man, how come everybody that says that phrase, I stand on business, says it over and over again like a 2-year-old toddler? 12,000. I stand on business. Don't equal 1. I move with compassion. So if you're listening to me, move with compassion. Don't just stand on business.